Guys, rainy season has started and I could see so many lychees in the market, and I thought of making a video on lychee, like the benefits of lychee, how is it important to you, why you should start eating lychee if you are not eating them. So I thought of covering all the points and making an informative video on lychees. So make sure that you watch the video till the end to know its amazing benefits, and also if there are some side effects, so you keep yourself aware of them as well. The scientific name of lychee is Lychee chinensis, from the family Saponaceae, grown for its edible fruit. Lychee is native to Southeast Asia and has been a favorite fruit of the Cantonese since ancient times. The fruit is usually eaten fresh but can also be canned or dried. The flavor of the fresh pulp is aromatic and musky, and the dried pulp is acidic and very sweet. The flowers are small and are in clusters or panicles. The fruits are oval to round, strawberry red in color, about 1 inch in diameter. The brittle outer covering encloses a translucent white fleshy aril and one large seed. China is the primary producer of the fruit, followed by India. Lychee seeds contain methylene cyclopropylglycine, which can cause hypoglycemia associated with outbreaks of encephalopathy in undernourished Indian and Vietnamese children who had consumed lychee fruit. This is the approx nutritional value found. Calories 66%, protein 0.8 grams, carbs 16.5 grams, sugar 15.2 grams, fiber 1.3 grams, fat 0.4 grams. The significant amount of dietary fiber present in lychee helps add bulk to the stool and increases our digestive health. This facilitates bowel movements, smooth movement through the digestive tract. The fiber present in lychee also stimulates the peristaltic motion of the small intestine muscles, increasing the speed of food passing. It also stimulates gastric and digestive juices, so the absorption of nutrients is efficient. You can drink lychee juice, which is helpful in preventing constipation and other gastrointestinal disorders. According to a 2016 review, scientists have found beneficial effects of lychee extracts from various plant parts in both laboratory and human studies. The scientists found the extract inhibits cancer cells and viruses, protects the liver, and enhances exercise performance. Another study indicated that lychee pulp, particularly the dried type, has anti-tumor properties. In 2014, scientists investigating outbreaks of unexplained illness among children in India discovered that lychees were the cause. The malnourished children ate unripened lychees from an orchard. The combination of a compound in the fruit called hypoglycin A and low blood sugar caused acute neurological effects and even death. A 2015 study indicates that lychee flesh is a rich source of plant compounds called proanthocyanidin. Proanthocyanidin are also present in other fruits such as apples, blueberries, and grapes. Manufacturers use lychee to make ice creams, juice, and sauces. It is also available in some Asian supermarkets in dried form. 100 gram of lychee contains 95% of the daily vitamin C requirement for adult females and 79% of the requirement for adult males. Lychee also contains small amounts of B vitamins and minerals such as magnesium and potassium. Fresh lychee is a healthy choice to include towards the 2 cups of fruit per day that the dietary guidelines for American recommends. 1 cup of lychee equates to 190 gram of fruit. The history and cultivation of lychees go back as far as 2000 BC according to the Chinese records. The Chinese imperial court served it as a delicacy. Now let us see various benefits of lychee on our body. Lychee benefits for immune system. The presence of vitamin C in lychee makes it very prominent in strengthening our immunity. This water-soluble vitamin is a storehouse of antioxidants that protect our body from foreign germ invasions and other associated problems. Lychee juice enhances immunity to protect against common diseases like cough, cold, and flu. Lychee provides instant energy. Lychee plays an important role in the production of collagen and carnitine that are required to break down fat. This fat breakdown provides us with instant energy. Lychee improves blood circulation. Lychees have been found to help in proper blood circulation throughout our body, thus ensuring the smooth functioning of organs and organ systems. Copper is another essential mineral found in considerable quantities in lychee and forms an integral part of RBC formation. Thus, the copper content in lychee can enhance blood circulation and increase oxygenation of the organs and cells. Lychee has anti-influenza activity. The phenolic compound found in lychee has anti-influenza activity. The presence of olignol stops the virus from multiplying and thus prevents flu, cough, and cold. Lychee has antiviral property. The proanthocyanidins in lychee have demonstrated antiviral properties. The presence of olignol and lychee tannin A2, a compound found in lychee, assist in preventing the spread or outbreak of viruses. Side effects and allergies of lychee. Lychees have high sugar content and people suffering from diabetes should consume them in moderation. They might provoke allergy reactions in some people. Lychee is also known to cause hormonal imbalance in body. It can cause internal bleeding, fever, or many other troubles. Pregnant women should avoid having lychees until they are in the breastfeeding stage, as they can cause hemorrhage and infections and harm the baby. So yeah guys, this was it that I found about lychee to the best of my knowledge. And if you like this video, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm also there on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.